doing a chibi character today that I found in a book. Big head as a circle, just like we learned in our chibi tutorial. Well, kind of a circle, looks a bit funny. And our head is facing a little bit in this direction, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of guideline here. This side, there's a little cheek here. I'm gonna put a little dent into this circle and come back up and go way up here. And then there's an ear on this side, which we will add later. Okay. Mouth is down here. It can go a bit lighter. I'm gonna give it some ear here. And a little ear sticking out over here. So we got the bangs done, but we're going to continue on this side. So I want basically the hair to go all the way up here. So it's kind of a little bit of a mess. And it comes down behind the ear a little bit. Okay, that's what this kid is. I'm gonna add the arms right here, and his hands just like so. Doesn't have much of hands because he's a chibi. They're very simplified features. I think that the head is not. The head needs to be thicker, but we'll adjust later, so I don't worry about it now. So now this chibi is, I think, studying or something. Oh, I'm gonna add a little book here. Just comes out here, and right there's the center of the book. That's the back spine of the book is right here. Let me see. The edges here. All right, so now it's cleanup time and adjusting a few things and fixing up a few things before we put in more details. I'm going to erase these guidelines first and get rid of those. I don't want any of these in there. There. Now when I look at my art, I feel like definitely my hair is too skinny. So this whole line I'm going to erase and fix it up.